Hide Instagram post without deleting them. Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to hide a Instagram post without deleting them. Many times we want to don't want to show many photos with the public, and we want to keep on them on our Instagram. That's very easy, but I have to let you know. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Let's begin the video. First of all, we can do this work on laptop or computer. We have to go to our mobile phones app, and after that we have to click on our profile and choose the file which you want to hide. Click on that file and click on this three dots over here and click on archive. Archive means that you have saved your photo into any other place. So now if you want to back push it onto your profile, go to your profile again, go to these three lines, and over here you will find option for archives. Click on that and you can choose from over here the stories and other thing. Now if you want to move it back to the profile, click on that photo post and click on three dots and show on profile and show on profile. It's restored now. So that's the way how you can easily hide and restore back on profile. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.